This is how to sell charisma in 2026 Filipino version. Ang pinaka dapat mong gawin is to be charismatic, baby. Hindi mo kailangan maging pogi. Hindi mo kailangan maging pogi na tulad ko. Hindi mo kailangan maging macho na tulad ko. Hindi mo kailangan maging mabalbon na tulad ko. Kailangan mo lang ng confidence. That's what you need, baby. Kailangan mo ng confidence, man. Pag meron ka nun, ikaw ay ikaw ay magiging successful, baby. Let's go.